all, welcome to our 7 day 7 minute series. We are in the sixth day. I hope the 5 days gave you very good insights, and this is one of my favorite days because we are going to learn something which is intermediate difficulty. So let us start with the Dhoni way. Quick decisions, minimum movement, simplest options. I hope you all know about the lightning stumping by our Mahi. So, in the same way, how Lambda functions, list comprehensions are going to be effective. They will be short, clean, and efficient code. So here see, smart work always beats hard work. I hope you people agree with me. In the same way, smart code always beats the long code and make it very effective. So we are going to learn what is Lambda and how to write comprehension. Comprehension is not only for list. We have it for dictionary, we have it for set, even for tuple, it will become like generators. So it is already in our blog. You people can explore what they are, and we will soon have a detailed live coding session on specifically comprehensions. I'll bring lots and lots of examples on that topic. Keep waiting. Next, lambda functions. They are nothing but quick signal. So rather than having like a detailed function, define add with parameters a comma b, then c is equal to a plus b, you will return c. That is like a traditional function. So here if you see, lambda is a keyword. These two are the parameters or the inputs, x comma y. And if you call this as add of 1 comma 2, what it will do, 1 plus 2, that is the quick action. It will do the action and it is saved in the variable add. Add is nothing but the anonymous function. Small anonymous function is called as the lambda function. It will be returned in a single line. See here, not like entire page, just like lightning. Dhoni doesn't give long instruction. Will he speak in paragraph or like documentary standing in the in the ground? He will give like quick signal for his fellow teammates, and they will grasp that and do the uh, do a better game. So in the same way, our lambda comprehension, everything will be short and neat. Best used for small, simple tasks. Shall we see what is comprehension? See here, it will create a new list in a single neat line. So without knowing comprehension, how we will write a list? This is a squad. Imagine this players list is having some 25 members. And for the squad, we want 11 based on some criteria you're doing. Here, I didn't give this criteria. In the upcoming slide, there will be. So squad dot append of player. Now all the 25 players will be added to the squad. Then we will filter and take. So how many lines of code? 3 lines of code is there. Creating a list, traversing using the append. The same thing is done with a single line, one line squad. For player in players, the same for loop. What is been here in the second line, the same thing. Left side of this for keyword, we will use the loop variable. Player is the loop variable. No need to use append, nothing. Just to the left side of this for keyword, we will use the loop variable. It will be short, clean, and it will be fast to read. When you are seeing the comprehension for the very first time, it will look like, oh my god, what is this? Why are we writing in the left side? Where to give the condition? It is very hard. But once you practice and once you try to understand the logic, it is like a piece of cake. Definitely. So see here, I told right, we are going to give one condition. So what is this? First I'll explain this pictorially. So here if you see, 5 players are there, and Dhoni wants only the players who scored greater than 50 runs. So this player and this player. Only those 3 players are chosen specially. So one condition should be given, greater than 50. That is the condition gate. So how we can write that using the comprehension. See here, for score in players, we are evaluating the score. If that score is greater than 50, you are adding that score to the left side of this for. This comprehension has many methods of writing. You should be familiar where to write the if statement, where to give the resultant, like that. So see here, this is the action. What we want, that is the action. This is the loop, checking the squad, and this is the condition filter. So when we have to use comprehension, means for filtering, for selecting, for creating new lists, in all those cases, we can go with comprehension. And where this is the captain's decision matrix, when to use. For simple small calculation for individual variables, see here, doubling the number. You are multiplying it by 2 and sorting the data. In those cases, you can go for the lightning lambda function. When you are creating new lists, filtering the values, modifying the existing data, then going for comprehension is effective. See here, all the elements in the data list has to be multiplied by 2. That is the meaning of this comprehension line. Got it? And these are all the common mistakes. In all our days, we are seeing the beginner's mistake. So today it is labeled as umpire's red flags. What are the common mistakes we will do in Lambda and the comprehension respectively? Writing long complex programs with Lambda. Lambda means itself short. Why to go for long complex programs? It is for small single line task. And if you forget the colon in the Lambda, that is not effective. You should definitely separate the parameters and the action statement with the lambda. Then forgetting brackets. So for list comprehension means you should go for a square bracket. Dictionary means curly braces with the key value pair. Set means same curly braces just with the variable. Tuple generator means parentheses. Like that you should be very familiar and clear with the brackets. Then forcing comprehensions when normal loops are cleaner and clearer. So when normal loop itself it is clean means don't want to make it hectic with comprehension. I know comprehension, so I will apply comprehension everywhere. That is not like a readable, that won't be like a readable code. So you should always choose the readability first. And smart code is a readable code, and you should know when and where to use them. Got it? Memorizing syntax without logic. Don't memorize the code. First, try to write simple comprehension code, simple lambda code. Then we can extend it. So we will soon have a detailed session on comprehension. Let me know in comments how many of you are waiting for that. Understand the idea first, then the syntax will follow the same. So what is the Tala challenge for the day? Create a lambda function with some list elements, 10, 15, 20, more elements also. And you have to multiply each and every element by 7. Okay, so this is lambda function, and try to do the same thing with the comprehension. Create a list and do with the for loop and give some conditions, if statement, if that number is a multiple of 7 or not. Check using the modulo operator. Then second task is the same thing, greater than or equal to 50. Try to change the number and explore. We saw about anonymous function, comprehension, how to write smart code, and how to avoid the mistakes. So let's end the 6th day session with the code. So Captain Cool teaches us that the smartest solution is often the simplest one. So as the lambda and the comprehension help us to write clean, short, effective, and efficient code with less effort and smart work. Okay, keep smiling, keep learning. Tomorrow we will meet with the last day, more energetic. Thank you.